In today's video, we're reviewing the Uber Freight app, a platform that connects truck drivers with shippers, kind of like Uber does for riders. But how does it really work and is it worth using? Now let's go ahead and break it down. So what is Uber Freight? It's a mobile and web-based app designed to make it easier for carriers and owner operators to find loads instead of relying on brokers and endless phone calls. Drivers can search for freight directly, see upfront pricing and book a load instantly. Think of it like an on-demand marketplace, but for trucking. Now let's talk about booking loads. The process is straightforward. Once you log in the app, you can browse available loads filtered by location, equipment type or preferred lanes. You'll see detail like pickup and drop off points, rate per mile and estimated transit time. The price looks good. You can hit book right from the app. No waiting, no back and forth negotiations. Uber Freight also offers real-time tracking, so shippers and carriers both know where the load is during transit. Another key feature is payments. One of the biggest pain points in trucking is slow payouts, but Uber Freight offers quick pay, typically within 7 days, sometimes faster, depending on your setup. That's a big plus for independent drivers managing your cash flow. Of course, there are trade-offs though, so the upfront pricing model means less room for negotiation. Some drivers feel that the rates can be lower than what you might get with a traditional broker. Also, availability of loads can vary depending on your region and the type of freight you haul. In some markets, it's great. In others, options may feel limited. So who benefits mostly from Uber Freight? If you're an owner-operator or a small carrier who wants flexibility, transparency, and less paperwork, this app can save you time and help your truck moving. If you already have long-term contracts, or rely on negotiations or higher rates, it may not replace your existing setup, but could work as a useful backup option. Now, to wrap things up, Uber Freight makes booking loads faster and simpler by putting everything into one app, from search to booking to payment. It's not perfect and rates may vary, but it's a solid tool for carriers looking for convenience and cash flow stability.